The JG and Andrew over there. Ready? We good to go? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. We finna have some fun today. You going this way? Oh yeah, I forgot. All right. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, y'all. We finna go ahead. You can go. That's JG. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe to Andrew too. Well, he don't got no channel. But we going to Cars and Coffee, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what time it is in here. Some ways out. Got my GoPro. Quick Pro, he's not even
Turn
downloaded.
left on Mr. C Drive, then turn right on Clay Lewis Road.
You should subscribe. We deep out here. Yo.
What up, dog?
What's up? We on our way down there now.
Alright.
Yeah. Where you at right now, John? You I see you on the interstate earlier.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm following I just turned off on the turnoff. And I'm following a group of cars. I figure that's going there.
Oh yeah, that must be gearheads, yeah.
Yeah, it's a bunch of little fucking racers. Dude, I just banged with a fucking pretty tough ass 335, dude.
Damn.
That motherfucker was fucking fast, dude. We hit like almost 140.
That's what I'm saying.
That's pulled away from me. I was like, God damn.
That's what I'm saying, John. Them shit small, man. They weigh like half of what the Charger weigh. Chargers.
Dude, I was like, motherfucker.
Right.
Yeah, that motherfucker was quick, man. I pulled up and I started pulling on him right away. Then that little fucker took off. I wanted to ram him.
He probably got that turbo on though. Yeah.
So where you go? Oh shit.
Yeah, we all gonna we all finna get on the interstate now. This is me, JG, and my friend with a 3.5.
Okay.
John, we see you though. Alright. Alright. Yeah, man, into this meet. Oh shit, I want my music in the video. Pause that shit. Pause that shit out. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, look at JG. Yes, sir, yes, sir. JG in the mirror. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at Andrew. Look at Andrew. Ah, look at Andrew. Oh shit, JG. stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Gang, sir. Boy, them Brimbos bite, boy. When I tell you they bite, they bite. This is me right here, it's back in here. GoPro, stop recording. That's a McLaren 570S, yeah. I assume it's probably like $220,000. We'll see. 2000 TC. It's $152,000.
Mine wouldn't even make a car payment on that damn thing.
That's it. And this is your entry level McLaren, the 570S.
Is it?
Then you got the 620. You got the 725. Then you got the 720. Yeah, it's like a base model. Is this a Vulcan? Is it? I think it's a Vulcan.
This is an Austin Martin, bro.
Well, is it a Vulcan though?
It's an Aston Martin, bro.
Yeah, it is, but like the trim level. Is this a Vulcan?
Oh, that's clean, boy.
I'm trying to see the trim. Is it? It look like a Vulcan.
That trim.
Yeah, it is a Vulcan. It just don't have a wing on the back.
Yeah, it's the Vantage.
Oh, the Vantage?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the Vulcan.
I wouldn't even be able to make a fucking insurance payment on that damn thing.
Nah, these.
Look at that. I'm interested.
He's out of my
I'd rather own one of those cars than them over there any day.
Those cars, though, man, that's a different type of
Oh hell yeah, bro.
Oh, this Porsche stick shift. Is that a Bentley? Ooh, that's clean, dude. What is that? A Continental GT? Ooh, look at them guts, bro.
Look at that car right there.
That's nasty, dude. You got Firebird.
What the car?
Oh man, you caught the Eco Boost slacking, son. Damn.
Oh damn.
There ain't gonna Hellcat right here, man. 2021.
Okay, bro, you got money to go ahead and do what you want to do to it.
For real. What in the Durango though? Oh man, this shit here nasty. Yeah, this ain't no up bad shit. You see it. Ooh.
Hey man, how many down jobs we got over here? I need y'all to tell me one thing, cause I'll be seeing a lot of these.
That's all-wheel drive.
Okay, I'll be seeing a shit ton of those on like V6s and stuff.
I'll be like, what the fuck did
It's
that?
all-wheel drive, all 4 wheels.
I thought it was some up bad shit. I was like, man, this is still slow. Like, I didn't know what it was.
He just got that joint too. Yes, sir. That's crazy in the Durango.
I was trying to figure out what it was. I'm waiting.
He went to McDonald's. He coming back. He asked me which one should he drive, the Scatpack or the Durango. I'm like, drive the Durango. This shit nasty though, bro. For Shockwave, man. Shotgun, a 300. We got 300 flow. This clean. Yeah, this is clean. 300 is. 300 flow. There you go. Look at the Gorilla. Yeah, that's clean, bro. Then you got the Mopar Savages on the back. That's dope. It's clean too. They got their whole crew. A Demon to get beat too. It's too heavy. A Demon is only good for the drag. Out here in the city, Nissan Stadium. For real, yeah. Yeah, they do. They got the cop body. You just a police that don't want nobody to know you a cop until you put them lights on. If I was a cop and was an undercover with that charge, people would be mad getting busted. You wouldn't even know.
That's why I can't have
Me too. Yeah, them lights. I'm like, he ain't that shit. He not. Yeah. Then,
Head turner.
yup. I like what they did to their 345s though. I mean, you know, rims and yeah, we out here, man. Collab, man, collab. Oh, you good? JG still the Hell Racing Part 2. Why that joint said low?